Okay, we're taking, well, our measurement we were talking about just a few minutes ago. We were talking about that this comes a little past halfway. So if this from here to here shows one full measurement, I want to find half. If half is here, I'm going to put a little dot just barely past halfway. This part up here we said is about a quarter of the way over. So then I would find that mark. And then I'm looking at what kind of line this is. Now, if you have an angle, here's a little trick. You can take your pencil, as long as these two things are like going the right direction and they're parallel to each other, you can take your pencil and put it on that angle, pick it up, look at it, measure it, like make sure it's right, and then put it in that way just to kind of help yourself. And I usually make several lines before I get the line that I want. And then looking at this one happens almost to halfway. So if this is halfway, I'd say that happens about right there. This one does not come from the corner, it's just off. It matters. If it comes from the corner, you want it coming from the corner. If it doesn't, you've got to look at where it does hit. Because of it being an angle, if it's off a little bit, it's going to mess up the entire line. And then we're going to continue to put that line in. And I'm looking at the space in between and making sure that's pretty accurate. And then I have that square done. Now, that said, sometimes it gets kind of tricky in squares like this one. And so I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how you can identify and find squares like that one.